know that.
You can't let her know what? You can't let your mom know what?
That I'm not gonna go through the effort to go to Red Arrow to get her a gift card.
You mean that you hate her? Hello.
Hey guys, Cameron here.
That intro is a little bit different from the traditional, but we have a little bit of cancer here, and unfortunately it has to be removed. And I don't know what sort of shoddy way that I'm going to come up with to fix this, but it will be fixed today, maybe, probably.
Bondo hair, buddy.
Bondo hair. This is all going to be filled with Bondo hair after I cut it out.
And fiberglass wrap.
That's the same shit, pretty much, right? Why would you need a fiberglass wrap it when you got Bondo hair? Same thing.
Bridge the gap. All right, take the gap, bridge the gap with toothpicks, and pile Bondo hair on top.
Not a bad idea until Kurt sits in it. I should edit that out.
You should just get one of those bumper stickers that says "No fat bitches," because they'll fall through the floorboard.
That is true.
They're sitting on popsicle sticks and Bondo hair.
Also, the reason that was discovered to the extent that it was, I filled it with foam before, and pulling the foam up ripped out a huge chunk. But the reason for that is because I am going to attempt to put this S14 seat in there. That I already welded the OEM Volvo 240 rails too. And I have no idea, because I kind of pinched that inward, if that will line up. But worst case scenario,
it's not gonna.
It's welded in. So, yep, that's the plan for now. And I might remove the rest of this sound ending because I got most of the remainder of it out. It's all stripped, all the residue's stripped out except for these last 3 panels in the back. There's some there and in the wheel wells. And then just right here. And the rest is done too, so I just have to come in here with a bed liner and it's gonna be beautiful.
Yeah, buddy.
So most of the job is complete in removing the cancer.
Now we need to add some new, slightly less cancerous cancer in the form of Bondo hair.
He's pretty fixated on that Bondo hair. But yeah, I'm gonna have to take an angle grinder to this and try to get the rest of that rust out and then treat it with my rust treatment stuff. I should get some weld through primer, but probably not gonna go that far. And then I'm just gonna start welding more metal in here until it's good, I guess. And screw what it looks like. So I cleaned everything out. This is probably just how I'm gonna leave it, actually. I like it like that. Got a lot of weight out of it.
Oh, no wait, you let me drive it when you were drunk.
It's in pretty good shape.
You didn't complain,
It's like
did
paper.
You got tired.
But anyways,
You're going too slow.
I'm gonna try to put this in here on the bottom, and then I'm gonna cut out pieces of this old seat bracket. And this is a double thick layer of metal, so I'm gonna try to bridge this with that, just so that it's a little bit sturdier, because as it was before I chopped out the floor, when you sat in it you could kind of feel the seat sag with the floor. So I want this to be pretty strong again. So I'm going to weld that together. I cleaned up some of the welds on that hydro mount. I don't want to go crazy on it, because knowing me, I probably didn't penetrate through it well enough.
Nice.
But I'm going to have to fill in that last little piece there, and then that should be sturdy enough to use. And then honestly, I should just probably cut a hole today to have somewhere in the floor for that line to go through.
Alright, Cameron, tell our audience what we're doing today.
So I've got this old extension and it doesn't work anymore. It's all mushroomed out. I could grind it, but I don't really care. I have a couple more of these. So I'm going to use it as a pretty stiff leg and jam it in there. I should just take the glove off of this, but yeah, jam it in there roughly like so, and then just fill her up. And oh yeah, that's going to be so sturdy. So then that hydro mount, that will go nowhere. I can tug that as hard as I want. Oh, that was easy.
Is it in already?
The top is, pretty much. I'm gonna increase the wire feed a little bit.
That's a nice speed right there.
Oh yeah, grade A, huh?